What's up YouTube? Brennan back here with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how you can invest on Robinhood with your first $100. Now, most people think that you can't invest with $100. It's not enough money. You need thousands and thousands of dollars to invest. But with Robinhood, in fractional shares, it's simply not true. That now you're able to invest with just anything. Like you can put $1 in if you want. And so this really opens it up to more people to invest, and it's really just a crazy cool feature. So if we get into Robinhood here, just a second, we're gonna go to, so now that we're gonna go to this little magnifying glass to the browse feature, and up top here in the popular list, geez, can't talk. You're gonna go to the index ETFs, which is pretty close to the first row. So if you look here, you'll see the company VOO. This stands for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Now, what these are is it's a sample of, you get a fraction of a bunch of different companies into one stock. So this really minimizes risk, really kind of gives you a piece of the market, a piece of a bunch of different pieces of the market into one, which makes it very ideal for if you have just $100 to put in. Now this price is 318.88, but if you look at this in the last week, it's up 3.29%. The past month's 1.54%. Past 3 months is 8.43%. Year 17.19%, and 5 years is 77%. So as you can see, this has been a very steady growth stock, and I have $26 into the stock, which is not much. Um, I kind of threw it in as part of my first $100 that when I first started investing, I think I put it into this. If I remember, maybe not, maybe my second 100 or something like that. I put a piece in. So as you can see, I'm up 3.7% now. On $100, that would be $3.70. So not too bad. And only, I think I've had this like 2 weeks, so that's pretty good. But anyways, so this just, again, it minimizes risk, and it gives you a piece of the market that you otherwise couldn't get if you were just investing in a single stock here with like $20 here, $20 here, $20 here, $20 here, which you can do. Don't get me wrong, you can do that, but this is just a safe, great way to get going. Another one of these that I would get either instead of or eventually add on to would be VTI, which would be the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. This one again is just a combination of a bunch of different stocks, which if we look at this one, it's pretty much got the same percentage returns throughout in the last 5 years. Like if you break it down, it's the same as about the VOO, about the same. Also, I forgot to mention with these both have dividends of, I think 1.7 was the other one. This one's 1.63%. Let's check out the other one. Excuse me. The VOO is 1.69%. So that's another great bonus. You're putting in this $100. You're getting an average of, let's look at the yearly. Here's 17 for the last year, but 5 years, roughly 80. So you're getting like, let's say 80% round up divided by 5. I mean, you're getting like 15 to 20% a year roughly, if my math's even close. I'm kind of tired, so I don't know. But so let's say 15% a year return, which is $15 out of the 100, plus you're getting a dividend of 1.69% roughly. So that's another $1.69. So you're getting back $16 your first year on your first $100, which is pretty good. Now it's not guaranteed to get this, and market changes and tons of different factors, but that's pretty good for your first $100. I mean, you can't really beat that. That's pretty killer. So those would be what I would look into, and I believe I had a third one but for some reason it is slipping my mind, which I apologize for. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna go with those two right now. Those are two really good ones. You can look into some of these on your own. There's plenty of them. There's 31 in this list, which is quite a bit to choose from. But do your research on them. Just about any one of these are pretty good. But look at the growth. Look at the companies that they have as part of the pieces, which you're gonna have to go out of the app to do to really get into it. But that is how you can invest your first $100 on Robinhood. Hope this helps you out if you're looking to get into investing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Um, Please leave a like if this helped you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.